This is a login screen for a system where you can either sign in or sign up depending on whether you have an account or not. This is the sign-in functionality where we have microphones which will let you, at least for some of the things, say the things you want to enter instead of having to type them. This is the sign-up functionality, which is again similar. We have whether you want to use Touch ID or not, which will allow the user to have to do less typing when logging in. And then we ask for a bit more information about the user in order to be able to store more useful medical information. Then on the screen you will have a settings wheel with a few different options, as well as a panic button which will alert emergency services and your nearest contacts, which is available on each of the different sections of the app. So when you go to the menu, you'll have access to medical advice or advice in general about pain treatment or general advice or potentially other categories, which essentially function as a search tree. So you choose one category which will split into more categories, which will then let you move down into a more specific area that will eventually let you find what you're looking for, which again will facilitate less typing and less sort of filtering through search results to find what you're looking for. At the bottom center we have a back button which will take you all the way back to the main menu instead of having to click the back button on the top left repeatedly. This is the forum where users can answer questions, look for questions that they want answers to, or ask entirely new ones. Then we have the map and accessibility function, which allows the user to look for a specific location and find out the type of accessibility and other things available to them at the location. So there's essentially a checklist, for example, is there an elevator, is there parking, and it also has reviews by various users on the location for more sort of personal reviews of it. And finally there's a logout button so you can exit the app.